This video will explain how to change the operation mode, zoning and name for the DP2061T multisensor. To carry out these operations, you must be logged in as a user with installer rights. To log in, press F4 to select main menu. Using the jog dial, turn it, and select a user which has the installer credentials. Now press the jog dial to go to the password option. Using the button, enter the correct password for the user. To do this, simply turn the jog dial to select the right number, and by pressing the button will move the cursor to the next digit. If you make a mistake, use the F1 key as backspace. Now press the jog dial or F4 to enter into the installer menu. Then press the button again to go to the field setup. Scroll down to loop device config and press the jog dial. Select the loop number of the device that you would like to modify. For this example, I will change the parameters of the device fitted on loop 1. Press the button to select loop number 1 and see all the devices in it. Using the jog dial, find the detector you want to edit, then press the button. I will change a device that is addressed as number 5. In loop device config, the first line describes what type of device we are dealing with. In this case it is OHD, optical and heat detector. Now use the F3 key, or press the jog dial, to go to the next setting lines. Here you can change the detector's operating zone. Pressing the button will move the cursor one step over, to the right. Let's move the detector from zone number 1, to zone number 2. When finished, press the button, to move the cursor to the day mode setting. There is a choice of 5 operating modes, to suit the requirements of the specific protection area. Level 1 sets the detector to be sensitive and similar to a fast response smoke detector. It will become even more sensitive when temperature rate of rise is detected. Level 2 disables the ROR function and makes the multisensor only detect smoke as a regular smoke detector. Level 3 acts as smoke enhanced by heat. It is similar to setting number 2, but becomes more sensitive when the temperature rate of rise is detected. For level 4, alarm can be triggered by smoke, normal sensitivity detector, or heat, class A2 detector. Level 5 turns the multisensor into a heat sensor that is programmed for alarm class A2. For levels 2, 3, and 4, the 20-second alarm confirmation time is required. It means smoke must be present continuously for at least 20 seconds, calculated by the detector, to get an alarm. Returning to the loop device configuration menu, I will change the daylight detector class to level 4 active smoke or heat detection. When finished, move the cursor to the night setting. Now you can select your nighttime operation mode. I will change it to level 5, with heat detection only. Once selected, press the button to move to the control option. Here you define whether the detector is enabled or disabled at day or at night only, or stays in the soak test. The detector is normally left on, as enabled. Now move the cursor to the device description. Here you change the device name by using the jog dial. Pressing the button will move the cursor one step over to the right. Once you have finished, press F4 enter to save the settings. Then press F1 to go back, and F2 to select exit. To complete the process, press F3 to apply the new detector configuration.